Are you like me that have backless sandals you love in the bottom of your closet that are collecting dust instead of on the dance floor kicking it out? Because every time I wear them, they keep falling off my feet. So I was trying to figure out what to do with my backless sandals in the bottom of the closet. The idea came to me while I was walking down the beach and my sandals would not stay on. And Groovy Strappies was born. Whether you're walking down the beach in gorgeous Maui or attending a special event like your best friend's wedding in Key West, or even if you're kicking it up on the dance floor to your favorite rock band, you need Groovy Strappies, the clear elastic straps that help keep your favorite backless sandals snug on your feet. Check out our website at groovystrappies.com to learn how to measure for the right size, how to apply, and place your Groovy Strappies order. I hope you love them as much as I do.